So, good evening ma'am. My name is Bindex Macaro and my title of my presentation today is Global Water Usage. So, when we say global water usage, the global water usage infographic below visualize how humanity consumes Earth's most precious resource. It breaks down the massive volume of water we withdraw annually, where it goes, and the hidden water in the products we use every day. So infographics, the global water top, who drink the most. Headline stat: humanity withdraws approximately 4,000 cubic kilometers of fresh water every year. That is enough to fill nearly 1.6 billion Olympic-sized swimming pools. So here are the big three sector breakdowns. So number one is domestic municipal. Primary use: drinking, sanitation, washing, and cooking. So inequality: an average American uses 300 plus liters a day. An average citizens in sub-Saharan Africa uses 20 liters a day. Next is industry. Primary use: manufacturing, cooling, power plants, processing, and cleaning. Top consumers: high-income nation. Energy production is the thirstiest subsector. Next, emerging trend. Data centers and AI are rapid growing consumers. Cooling server requires billions of liters annually. And the last is agriculture. Primary use: irrigation for crops, livestock, hydration, aquaculture. Next is regional variance. In South Asia and Africa, this can reach 90% plus of total water use. Trend: efficient is low. Much water is lost to evaporation before reaching crops roots. And that's all. Thank you.